Hey guys, I got this smartwatch from Temu. That's what they are currently doing, where you have to refer at least 20 people. I heard they've increased it to 30, and I did it and I got 4 different things, and I will review them in separate videos because I'm going to talk a lot about them. So this is the smartwatch. I don't know the name they gave to it. It's just smartwatch that is written on it. So this is how it was packaged. I really like the packaging. It's one of the best packaging I've seen from ordering something. You can see it made in China. That's how you know Temu is actually China. This is the QR code for you to scan the app, and these are some of the things in it. Okay, let's dive into this one. Touch. Inside the box is a manual. Normally I don't read this, or I can read them later so that I can know how to use these products. Then this is like an information letter. Okay, they're actually telling us in this letter that attention, this app is not a medical device. Data obtained during the use of this is reference only and should not be used for clinical diagnosis, medical research, training, or treatment purposes. That's how you know the Apple smartwatches are better, because those ones, they can be used for medical researches, but this no. Okay, this is the cord it came with. This is how the charger looks like. Okay, I think it's the magnetic type, so yep, it looks very good. I really like the feel of this cord. This is good. I don't know, I pray this watch would last long as I would expect. I believe if you're trying to buy this watch from Temu, you should buy this watch for about 25 to 30,000 naira. So I don't know. So that's a nice peel right there. Okay, just turned on. Wow, this is one of the best watches I've seen. Oh my god, it looks really gorgeous. Seems like it was on all this while since, I don't know. This is the low power mode. Let's see the setting: display, brightness, watch face, wrist raise, low power mode, language, system, start, resets, about, fashion. Okay. And this is the QR code that you can scan on your smartphone so that you can download the app and start using it. It looks very neat, but we all know this is plastic, and I've always been complaining about plastic, but there is no how you expect to get something expensive, something cheap as this, and it won't be plastic, except if maybe they want to just do a giveaway for you, which we know they will never do. So I don't know what this is used for. I don't know. I feel maybe it's used to just replace, it's just used to give that feel of this button here. So okay, these are the messages. Okay, it looks really good though, the low power mode. The problem is that if you can look well, if you look closely, you'll find out that this watch is not an OLED watch. It's completely LCD, and with LCD, if it will have an always on display, which I'm not sure this one has, if it will have an always on display, it will keep taking your battery every single time. But one of the things I've always wanted on a cheap smartphone watch is, I've always wanted them to have a photos app inside where you can access some photos from your phone. Even though they are going to be of low quality, at least the fact that you can access the photos on the phone matters a lot. Like, it matters. These are the apps that are inside: activity, sleep, heart rate, phone call. Wow, the scrolling actually works. Oh my god, I've never seen a watch. It even has weather and shutter, relaxation, AI voice, timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle, word clock, find phone and calculator. Oh my god, it has games. It has games. Let's check the games out here. I'm actually feeling like I know how to play this game, but I don't know how to play this game. So, wow, that's games. This is one of the first smartwatch I've gotten. This kind of cheap smartwatch that has games on it. It's looking very, very interesting. So this is the menu. You can change it. Okay. Let's say this smartwatch is great. It's great. I actually don't know. Okay, these are the different watch faces that are available. It seems I can't go back from there. Going back to where I was recently is just becoming very hard. Why is it showing like that? Okay. Oh, finally did it. This honeycomb design. This is the particular one that was inspired by iOS. So let's check the Bluetooth. It's actually nice. It's actually nice. This is one of the best smartwatch I've seen that's cheap, that's free. Because the bezels, if you can check, the bezels are not completely evenly matched. But it's kind of better. But the issue I'm going to have with this smartwatch is that I won't be able to change the strap as I want. That will be a problem. I might not want black every single time, but I have to be stuck with black. I won't be able to change the strap, and the charger, I have to be going about the charger. This is not like the one with wireless charging where I can just snap a wireless charger and just plug my phone like that and it starts working. Nope, I have to take this my charger everywhere I go. So it is going to be a problem for me. Besides that, everything kind of works good. This is actually the first cheap smartwatch that I'm seeing relaxation on it, and it's nice. You can see what they said on this. Tips: please make full charging before you use this smartwatch. Okay. Let me say, I don't understand how this language.
When I connected it to my phone, I found out that it just tried to increase my volume every single time and it never stops. It keep increasing the volume every single time. That's one of the issues I observed. I feel maybe it's an iPhone problem. I don't know.
Have a nice day. Peace.